Assalamualaikum and good evening everyone. Let me introduce ourselves first. My name is Shasleen Asyhrani Binti Ismail. My metric number is 248124.
My name is Vinothini A and my metric number is 263938.
My name is Alina and my matrix number is 269673.
My name is Ching Kah Sheng and my matrix number is 270291.
And my name is Natasha Binti Saupe. My metric number 273080.
Okay, next. So today we want to present about our project. We as junior system analysts required to propose and develop a new customer support system for My Wedding Planner Sdn Bhd. We have decided some new system to be used by My Wedding Planner to solve their problem regarding booking process, taking orders, confirmation orders, and payment process. All these problems related to the customer support system. The new system that we provide to them is more efficient and systematic compared to their current system. So we proceed to the first one. Vinothini, can you explain a system request summary?
Okay, I would like to continue with the system request summary for My Wedding Planner Sdn Bhd. As a junior analysis, analyst, we had received the system request from My Wedding Planner. So the purpose of receiving this request is to develop new customer support system for the business. As the My Wedding Planner using manual system currently, so we had suggest to use the new system. So the benefit of the new system is to have more systematic and effective system for the business. Then as a process of helping them to prepare the new system, we prepare the preliminary investigation report and present to them. This is to help them to improve and solve the problem regarding the booking process, taking orders and confirmation orders. Next, I would like to explain about the SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis is categorized into 4: strength, weakness, opportunities, and traits. Then first one is strength. There is a full service provided to the customer. Like My Wedding Planner, they providing the full wedding package or service to the customer. Then they also enough workers. Like they already have HR department and other employees to done the particular job in the business. Then for the weakness, they manually record the booking information, so they need to call the person in charge to confirm with the booking, and it will be time consuming for them. Then there's a double order of raw material, like they order for the second time for the raw material that has been placed order previously. Then for the opportunity is like market to run the business for during this modern era, so people are busy with their works, so they didn't have time to do the planning for the wedding package. So if like this business providing full package, it will be easy for them and generate more profit. Like they providing full service, so customer will search for their business, search for their service in this business. Then complaint from customer viral. If the service provided is inappropriate or unsatisfied, the it will become a problem and they receive the complaints. Then sales of the company decline and potential sales will be affected. Then for the fishbone diagram, the problem is start because of the unsystematic management. There's a first problem start at the front desk service, where the manual record, which is manual system, the information is recorded manually. Then hard to confirm booking with the person. Like we need to follow up the person. It will be a hard process. Then second will be the second problem will be the human errors. Like human errors occur due to the manual system at the data entry process. Then the usage of the manual system for the part-timer and permanent employees also, it will create a problem. Then the problem had human resource. Like I said before, the like it will create more overwork or more overwork and heavy workload to the HR department. Then the problem continue with the hall reservation. Uh, hall, re- Hall reservation, the problem is connected with the front desk service, like the is double booked by the customer for the hall reservation. Then the another problem is at the inventory. There is no formal inventory record for the raw material, and the manual system will cause errors, and the lack of supervision to inventory will cause the misappropriation of asset, like a part-timer they use for their own use for the inventory. Then the last problem will be the payment or receiving the payment. Like there's an invoice missing, it will be difficult for them to trace the invoice, and human errors cause the billing error, like the amount problem and so on. Okay, that's all. Anyone have a question regarding the fishbone, comments regarding the fishbone diagram?
I'm agree about your point. Then I think the main problem usually occur at front desk service and linked to hall reservation and cash receipt and payment. So the front desk service should find a solution to settle the problem arise to avoid occurrence of addition cost to the company.
Okay, I agree with Tanlina too.
So I would like to continue with the case of action. We have applied a few fact-finding techniques in performing the report, such as observation, interview, and questionnaire. The current manual system uses paperwork and verbal communication in recording the booking information. This causes inefficient booking system as the customer needs to make a call to the person in charge of confirmation booking to visit. From the questionnaire description and interview, the staff and the manager in the company are found dissatisfied with the current manual system, which causes the inefficient in booking process and occurs human error in recording the booking details, and important documents such as invoices and receipt missing, which cause difficult to payment by financial officer. Next, the justification to have new customer support system, including shortening the booking process and environmentally friendly paperless to increase the efficiency of the company, more safe time in booking process to increase customer satisfaction and reduce the human errors occurs, as well as to prevent data breaches and invoices missing. Anyone want to give comment on justification?
All right, me. I agree with you, Kah Sheng, because all the justification that has been made is not based on our imagination. It's based on our fact finding, which is interview, observation, and questionnaire as well. So I wanted to explain a bit about the fact finding. For the observation, we do the observation by visiting the My Wedding Planner website. This is because we want to understand more about the My Wedding Planner business, what actually they does and don'ts. And also we do the observation regarding the comment, I mean the feedback of the customer, whether they are satisfied or not satisfied with their services. And next, about the interview, we interviewed two people, which is the founder and the principal planner. We asked them a few questions, and the one of the question is we asked them what actually their company offer to the customer and what their expectation regarding the new system in the future. And last but not least, about the questionnaire, there's 30 respondents and 15 questions, and all the questions are regarding the manual system and the computerized system. And most of the answer about the questionnaire, like 50% or more than 50% of the respondents are agreed that computerized system makes we as a business owner can manage our business more efficient and effectively. So that means they are agree with the new system, which is computerized system, make us to manage our business more easier. Thank you.
Thank you, Kasa, for your comment. Next, I will continue with the project scope. The project scope is to enhance the ability of booking, checking orders, and confirmation orders, and helps to reduce the time consumption for close sales without affecting the accuracy of the booking and billing information. Anyone want to give addition to project scope?
Excuse me, I want to add some information regarding the project scope. For project scope, actually we have three components, which is must do, should do, and won't do. For must do, we have decided to my wedding planner to hire sufficient staff to make data entry process and have a purchase policy for all purchase. And for the should do, my wedding planner should create an email to confirm the booking and inform regarding the payment and improve staff leave application. All staff can use staff leave planner software to ensure the accuracy of data and avoid the occurrence of the errors. For Wundu, my wedding planner do not delay the process of taking order and do not delay making of data entry. Delay making the data entry process become error rate become high. High error rate in data entry could end up costing in company a lot in the long run. Okay, that's all.
Thank you, Shasleen, for your addition. I will continue with constraint. The constraint of the new system is interoperability between the existing system and the new software system. There's a list of approved technologies which constrain the developing of the new system software when there are technologies which are not included in that list. There comes constraint faced by my wedding planner. Hiring new staff to proceed. Financial part consume more time than required. If the employee is in the learning process to adapt to technologies, then it consumes longer time than usual for the employee to find the invoice even though there is an order number listed there. Besides the time constraint, there's a cost constraint faced by my wedding planner. This is because by hiring a new staff, there's a need for the company to bear the cost of training, seminar, and meeting for the new staff. Next, the benefit of the system can divide to intangible and tangible benefits. For tangible benefits, the new system can help the company to cut costs like reduce paperwork and hiring costs as well as increase sales performance by improved customer experience. For intangible benefits, new system with purchase policy and system verification and tracking can help to avoid invoice missing and remove ambiguity around purchasing products and services from vendors. Besides, the access control and computerized recording system helps to generate invoice and prevent data breaches, which can improve customer confidence to the company. That's all for me.
Now I want to explain about feasibility analysis finding. There are four feasibility analysis. There is operational feasibility, technical feasibility, economic feasibility, and schedule feasibility. In operational feasibility, we need to investigate the views from employee of my wedding planner about the new system. It is necessary to know the ability of the worker to access the new customer support system in wedding planner. Second, the technical feasibility of my wedding planner. We need to evaluate that whether the technological resources of my wedding planner are able to support this new customer support system. Third, in economic feasibility is the analysis of all costs incurred in developing this new system. It is important to evaluate whether the cost is within the estimation to prevent over budget in this project. Last, schedule feasibility is the analysis of time for completion of this project. The estimation of time for completion of this project is done before developing this system. Is to make sure every task is done on time so that the system can become operational. Next, that's about project rules. There are three project roles. There is system designer, manager, and staff receptionist. First, the system designer is to designing, planning, and developing the entire system. Second, ensure all the requirement of my wedding planner is fulfilled and can settle the problem that have faced. For the manager, that's to ensure the daily functioning of a group or staff and plan the monitoring and the performance, find the solution and deal with the performance problem, and monitor and control the expense and budget from year to year. For staff, they have to assist and answer all the questions of customer and incoming call, record the customer information and order in the computer immediately after serving the customer. Then directly confirm with the person in charge about the customer request. And lastly, file and maintain the document and record. So anyone want to explain more about project roles?
I sure everyone agree with the project roles because it based on the particular person's roles to do in the business.
Okay, thank you very much.
All right. Lastly, about the time and cost estimation, there's nothing much to talk about this. All right. Next. Okay. As you can see on the slide, that is all the costs that involved in this project and all the prices. The cost is included with the intangible cost and tangible costs, and the total cost is 36,000. So anyone would like to comment or say something about this, about the cost, or anyone agree?
It's based on the current cost of the business, right?
Yep.
Okay, then you can proceed.
All right, everyone is okay. So next slide. So basically this is the Gantt chart project. This is how it looks. And as you can see, the green line, it represents each phase. There's a 1, 2, 3, and 5 phase. It started with system planning and end with system maintenance. And the project start on 12th of October 2020 and end on 8th January of 2021. So next, I want to show you guys the network diagram. Okay, this is the PERT chart, the network diagram. The red line box is represent the system phase, which is system planning, and followed by system analysis, system design, system implementation, and lastly, system maintenance. This chart shows us the sequence of the activities in our project, and the total days that took to this project to complete is 103 days, if I'm not mistaken. So anyone want to comment about the Gantt chart and the PERT chart?
So far, no any comment yet because it follow the particular days that need to complete a project, right? So there's no any comments. You can proceed.
Nothing to proceed because this is the last part. Okay, we proceed with the conclusion. Shasleen, I think.
Okay, for the conclusion, our new proposed system, which is computerized customer support system, are really an efficient and systematic to be implemented by My Wedding Planner. As we mentioned before, this system will help the business to work faster and gain the trust by customer. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you, everyone.
All right, I would like to say thanks to everyone because attend this meeting, and thank you for cooperative. Bye-bye.